Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with another cleaning video, and Tucker wants to be in the video too. But I am doing a collab weekly deep clean with my friend Amber. Tucky, you can't be in this one. You have to go. You have to go. Alright, so this video is with my friend Amber. She's also a YouTuber, a mom of 4, and she does cleaning videos, she does organizational videos, she does hauls, and just mommy lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested, head over to her channel. We're doing a collab, so she's doing a weekly deep clean of her bathroom, and then mine is a deep clean of my office. Again, if you guys enjoy videos like this, please subscribe. Dogs! Alright, so again, go ahead, go to Amber's channel. I'm going to link it down below. Tucker! Oh my god. No! I'm going to link it down below, and just let her know that I sent you over. I just want to thank Amber so much for doing this collab with me. I'm so excited to start this deep cleaning series, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Remember, if you like my videos, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you thought, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope you can hear over my dogs. Alright guys, so here it is, my super messy office. I have a bunch of extra stuff that I don't need. I have papers, pens, notebooks, Tucker whining in the background because he hasn't had his walk yet, and just, you know, stuff that accumulates. So we're going to tackle this today. We're going to wipe everything down, throw away the things that are no longer in use, and hopefully we'll have a beautiful clean office at the end. So here I'm just picking up all the extra things that are on my desk so that I can spray it down with some Target brand Windex. I really need to broaden my horizons when it comes to my cleaning products. I have like Target brand Windex and some method sprays, but I usually just use them like in my bathroom and my kitchen because I don't really care too much about the fancy smells in my office because I have candles for that. So, I don't know, maybe I'll try some new things. I'll head over to Target today to see what I can find. This guy is such a nervous wreck. He's always just standing around, looking at me, following me, always worried. He's so cute though. You gotta love him. 1, 2, 3, do it! So this clock here has been sitting on my office floor for like a week now. I was at Target the other day. They do markdowns on Thursdays at my Target, so I always go early in the morning to see what's new. And this clock, I only paid $7 for it. It was originally like $30, so that's definitely a win-win for me. Alright, here, so I'm just going through all these empty boxes and books.
This is from headphones that I had like 2 years ago, but my husband likes to keep the boxes just in case we resell things, which we would never resell headphones, but I think it's just out of habit. He just keeps the boxes to retain the resale value. Old notebook from like 3 years ago. So that definitely has to go. It's full of notes anyways. I'm never going to use those notes. So off to the trash it goes. Getting a nice wipe down and dust on these cabinets. They have been collecting dust for a while. And then I'm just setting up these books nicely. They're books that I actually look at or want to read in the future. If I don't read them like in the next 6 months, I'll probably end up donating them or something. Miss Bella making her debut once again. She's so funny. She just wants to be close to me. Here I'm just giving the printer a nice wipe down. It's crazy how much dust can collect on here. And to be honest, I almost sprayed the actual printer with the Windex, which would probably be a bad idea. So I just spray the microfiber cloth, give it a good wipe down, get the size of the bookshelf, and another thing is clean. I need to hang up these shelves. I actually got them for my bridal shower last year and I still haven't hung them up. I have a weird commitment issue with hanging things on the wall because I want it to look perfect and then I just don't do it. So I really need to do that. Maybe I'll do that in another video. And in comes Tucker with my duster. Typical lab thinking everything is a toy or food. This is my old backpack from college. I just graduated college in the beginning of this year, so like in March. So it hasn't been that long, but really, I mean, it's the end of the year. It's time to throw away all the college papers and move on. These windows, oh my gosh, I'm the worst at cleaning windows. So today we're gonna tackle that. I'm really gonna focus on trying to get my windows clean, inside and outside. It's really a terrible habit and they look really bad. Once I clean them, I'm like, oh wow, it's nice and clear outside. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's my nice, clean, fresh office. Don't forget to head over to Amber's channel, give her some love, let her know I sent you, and then like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and have a great day. Bye!